Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, the honorable judges, the honorable GC UINSA committee, and the honorable audience. My name is Fikri Asyafiqi Hambali from Darul Quran Mulia Junior High Islamic School. Ladies and gentlemen, on this lovely day, I would like to tell you a story entitled The Elephant and the Monkey. Are you ready? Okay, let me start. Once upon a time, there's one huge elephant that were friends with one little monkey. In a sunny day at the jungle, they walk together. Hi, Elfie. Why are you so slow and weak today? Oh, monkey, my habitat were doomed. People flatten the forest around my habitat. I barely can find good foods these days, said the elephant sadly. Oh, poor Elfie. The monkey thought for a while. Aha, what if you came and joined me to my den? Today, we are preparing for a big harvest feast. There will be a lot of bananas. Harvest feast. This must be interesting. Let's go. Wait. Before we go, you have to know that all the bananas prepared today is for the feast tomorrow. So, I want you to wait until the feast finishes tomorrow afternoon. And you can eat all the bananas available. Monkey warned him. Okay, I get it. At the monkey forest, the elephant eyes were sparkled, seeing many bananas prepared at the big giant feast table. So the monkey said, Elfie, you can go home now and come back tomorrow after the feast. The elephant waited until dark. He stepped up to the big table and voraciously ate the bananas. The monkey heard noise nearby the big table. Then he approached it. He could not believe what he saw. What are you doing here? You almost finished all the bananas. I thought we were friends. Go away! The monkey furiously yelled. The next morning, all the monkeys were shocked to see their big feast table. The big old monkey king was raged. Who dared to do this? Frightened, the little monkey then stood up. My king, last night one elephant came and ate our bananas. Let's attack him, said the monkey king impatiently. But one elder monkey raised up. My king, let's think for a while. Elephant is a strong animal. We can't just attack him. He can crush us with his feet. So, what's your suggestion? We attack with strong monkeys and do it at night when the elephant is sleeping. Not long, a monkey cub also bravely spoke. My king, what if we bring rope and spear? The monkey soldier can use rope to tie his leg. The other can attack his ear with spear, as it's the softest skin in the elephant. That's a very brilliant idea, young lad. Let's do it tonight. At night, they tied his legs and attacked his ears when he was snored with full belly. The elephant couldn't do anything. He was shocked and also bleed. He cried out, I'm so sorry, Monkey King. I was so hungry, so I couldn't stand to see many bananas. Humans have taken down our forest, hence no fruit left to be eaten. Monkey King ordered the soldier to stop. Okay, we forgive you now. Don't ever steal our bananas again. I promise, Monkey King. Not long, the little monkey came, brought him water, and cleaned his wounds. I warned you before. I wish you could listen to me. I'm so sorry, Monkey. Thank you for helping me. We're still friends, right? Of course, Elfie. The elephant finally could smile, and they'll always be best friends ever after. Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you can carry positive message from this story. Don't be greedy, be honest and patient, and always helpful to our friends. And even if you are young, you can step up and speak your ideas. That's all from me. I apologize for any mistake. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.